You came quiet like rain on dry land. I was tired, dust on my hands, heart so heavy, years on the shelf, spoken circles, arguing myself. Then your laughter found my shadows, pulled my story to your chest. Every scar began to soften, every prayer you answered yes. You're my Valentine gift from God, slow burning love in my blood, warm like a blanket in the storm. You hold my shaking hand so calm. I was searching all my day, you were written in His grave. You're my Valentine gift from God, my Valentine, my heart, my home. Whoa, yeah. You saved our love, rest that worried mind. You sing softly in my mother tongue at night. Zulu whisper on your woven dress, holy comfort in your gentleness. All my sorrow starts to sway now to the rhythm of your name. Every tear that fell in secret, what it rules for us today. You're my Valentine gift from God, slow burning love in my blood, warm like a blanket in the storm. You hold my shaking hand so calm. I was searching all my day, you were written in His grave. You're my Valentine gift from my Valentine, the night feels long, we will dance through the dust to a broken song. Every hurt, every ache, we will fold it in. We be hand in my hand, we begin. Hey, you're my Valentine gift from God, slow burning love in my